Hey everyone, today we're going to be going over HTML semantics and why do we care and what does that word actually mean. So let's get going. What is semantics? A semantic is basically anything that describes how humans interpret not only just words, but how the words are organized. So mainly language, and that could be like written and spoken language, that could be programming language, basically anything where our minds are interpreting some type of words can be described as semantics. So you guys have already been doing plenty of semantics in your academic lives. You have all been writing 5-paragraph essays forever in your English classes. And when we think about the 5-paragraph essay, it has basic semantics of you have your intro, right? You got your 3 topics, paragraphs, and then everybody wants to close it out with a conclusion. So in HTML, we have the same exact idea. Our documents we write in HTML are always broken down with some type of structure, right? So with that structure, for example, we could look at something like this, and we'll break these pieces down, but just like the 5-paragraph essay before, now we have this beginning piece, this doc type, and then we have this HTML element, right? And then we have this head and all that. So let's break these pieces down. All right, the doc type is, we will get into this more later, but the doc type is pretty much just there to declare and let the browser know that, hey, what you're reading right now is written in HTML5, the most current type. Okay. In part 2, this little bracket right here, the entire HTML document needs to be enclosed in an HTML element. Again, it seems kind of silly to say, but yeah, you're just letting it know that everything in between these 2 elements or these 2 tags are HTML. Okay, and every HTML document is broken up into 2 pieces, and the first piece is the head. So here we have this head element, and the head element that's basically where we keep all of the information about the website or the web page that we're reading, but it's nothing that's actually going to get published. So it's not going to show up on the web page. Everything that goes in the head is basically there to make it like things like it makes it more findable by Google search or any type of search. It makes it deals with accessibility, like if people have screen readers or anything like that. Okay, this the meta element specifically contains info about the document. So this is letting it know that the website, whatever HTML document this is encoded with UTF-8. That's a pretty common encoding, and encoding just means whatever text is going to show up on the page, right? The title is basically what you see in the little tab. Okay, so the top little tab at the top of the browser, whatever you put for your title, that's what shows up in the browser tab. All right, the next piece is the body, and anything that is inside of the body is where all the content goes that you want to actually show up on the web page. So whatever we're doing that we want to show up goes right in here. So with that little basic structure, we're now going to practice a little bit more. You guys are going to head over to your assignment in Canvas to get an idea, and we're going to practice some of these things. And then the whole idea is we are practicing so that we can finally start to make our own web page here in the future.